Hello, Java Concepts for AP Computer Science 5th Ed Edition, Chapter 5. This is a short video that I will be focusing on a small part of the source code, but one of the most important parts, which is Booleans. This program has a scanner at up top, but right now we are focusing about the Boolean. And this is a Boolean statement where when equals false right away, because if it equals true, then nothing will happen. So Boolean statements either are true or false. If it's true, then usually nothing happens. And if it is false, then it goes through the program, or at least that's how mine is set up. I will highlight it so you can actually read it now. Totally forgot to do that. But so for this, I'm asking the person to give me your favorite number over 50. And then for my scanner, I say, give me it. And if it is over 50, the Boolean will return true, meaning this will go on, carry on, and it'll go on to the next method, not program. But say if I gave 17 for a random number and I didn't read directions, it would do else system.out.print. That's not over 50. So let me quickly go over the Boolean operators. Do you know all of them? Say them now, and I will give you a little moment to pause it and say them. I lied, I did not pause, but you were supposed to pause it. So, if you got the OR symbol, the less than symbol, greater than symbol, equals to symbol, where you have two equal symbols next to each other, which means equal, and then the exclamation point, which is a not, and the two ands symbols next to each other, which means and also last but not least, the dot equals. If you got all those correct, you should be proud and buy something for yourself. Okay, back to the program though. We need something in our code. Can you identify which operator we use? You're supposed to look now, and if you got it correct or found it, which you should say now, correct. The not, I lied, the not. I was about to say and, but it's the not, the exclamation point. So if you also got that correct, you should seriously buy something for yourself because you are awesome. But so that is what our Boolean statement needs to say not when, because that's how this program runs. Because if it's during false, the system prints out what's your favorite number over 50, and let's go to it and see if it will work. Okay, and let's void this bad boy. So this is just part of my other program. We'll do bananas. I totally spelled banana, not bananas. What is a simple int? Let's say 1. Double. Alright, so what is your favorite number? This is where the Boolean statement is. So if I put 20, it's going to say that's not over 50. What are you, crazy? No, it doesn't actually say that, but what is your favorite number over 50? Ask me again. If I still say 23, no, it's going to keep on asking me until I give a number that is over 50. So if I do 55, no, let's go 99. And then it just follows into the rest of the code. So it's saying that a Boolean statement can be put in the middle of something. It doesn't always have to be at the start, at the end. That's why I gave an example of stuff before and stuff after. So there you have it, Boolean statements and a little bit of information on the operators. Here's the code again. And thank you for tuning in.